Hi, welcome to another tech series video from SY Electronics. My name's Phill Wildman, the Technical Training Manager. So we've got a few bits of kit here that we're going to look at. In our last video, we spoke about balanced audio, how it works, what it does, when to use it and so on. And at the end, we asked the question, well, what about if you're connecting a device that has a balanced audio output? We want to connect it into something that has an unbalanced audio input. And also the other way around, we've got a device that only has an unbalanced audio output. We want to connect that into a device that has a balanced audio input. How do we go about that? Well, let's have a look at this device here. We've got a SY switcher, so this has got stereo balanced audio outputs, but we want to connect it to this device which only has a stereo unbalanced input for us to use. So we've got this cable here. We're going from 2 channels of balanced audio from this device, but we're going to end up connecting to this cable, which is stereo but unbalanced. So we've got left channel, right channel, and ground. So this is going to connect into that like that. So what do we do at this end? This is the interesting part. I'm going to turn it around so you can see it a little bit better. So we connect the grounds together. We want to go ground to ground, ground to sleeve, that's fine. Then on the left channel, we'll connect from the signal plus or the hot connection, and that will then go through to the left channel, which is the end pin here. We discard the signal minus or the cold output. Same on the right channel. We're just interested in the signal plus. We're not interested in the signal minus. So the signal minus, they're both out of phase audio outputs. We discard those. We don't need them at all. Don't join them up. Don't do anything. So we need the signal plus from the left channel, the signal plus from the right channel, and ground. And they will go signal plus left, signal plus right, and ground. And that's how you connect balanced audio output into an unbalanced audio input. Right, so that's that. Now what about the opposite scenario? How do we then connect from unbalanced audio outputs to a balanced audio input? So we've got an RCA, it's unbalanced, to an XLR, which is a balanced to go to an input. You know, it's got signal coming from this way because it's got the pins. You'll always get that. If you've got an XLR where you've got a socket, that means the signal's coming this way. When you've got the pins, it means the signal's coming out. So we've got an RCA jack. We're going to connect that to an unbalanced audio output, but we're going to want to connect it to a device that has a balanced audio input. So we have this kind of cable, unbalanced mono cable to balanced mono. So this is a little bit different. What we have to do, connect ground to ground. So this sheath, the shield, will go to the shield of here. But the signal, where do we connect that to? Well, I'll just show you. If I take this out, this has got a special cable. It's been made to do the job. And if we look at what's happening here, the signal plus goes to pin 2, which is the hot pin, the signal plus pin of the XLR connector. There's no signal going to the signal minus connection, but our ground comes through, goes to the ground pin, and then what we do, we link the ground pin and the signal minus pin together. This is on the XLR balanced audio input end only. So that's how you connect unbalanced audio to a balanced audio input. That would be the same story if you was going from an RCA jack and you was going to end up in a TRS 6.5mm jack. That's fine, or an XLR. But the same thing, ground to ground, the plus signal, which you've only got one on an unbalanced audio output source. You connect that to pin 2, the hot pin on the XLR, or it could be on a TRS jack. And then the sleeve, if it's a TRS jack, the sleeve and the ring joined together. Or if it's an XLR jack, then the ground and the cold pin joined together. On a TRS jack, the sleeve and the ring joined together. So that's how you connect unbalanced to balanced audio. So in the next video, we're going to look at something slightly different again. So what about if we've got a balanced audio source, balanced audio output. So we've got a connection. This is stereo, balanced audio out, left channel, right channel. We want to convert to just mono balanced. How do we do that? We'll show you in the next video. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you found the topic interesting. And as always, we will see you on the next one.